Hey guys, in this video we're going to be taking a look at this question over here. We're asked to find all values of a and b such that this piecewise function f of x is continuous everywhere. Now to have it continuous everywhere, we want it to be continuous at every point, of course. And let's just look at those points as they're defined over here. So first we consider the points where x is less than 1. When x is less than 1, it's just defined by ax squared minus b. If you plug in the constants a and b, this is just going to be a quadratic which is going to be continuous. So that's fine. Same for x equals 1. Well, we just want this to connect to whatever it is at x is less than 1. So let's say it looks something like this. And then at x point, then when x equals 1, we want that to be right here. And then bx plus a, let's say that looks something like this. Again, from when x is greater than 1, it's going to be continuous because that's just a line, right? Bx plus a will always be continuous. So basically, the only criterion at play over here is that when x equals 1, the limit of this, when x is, so the limit of f of x as x approaches 1 from the negative side should equal 2, and this should also equal the limit of f of x when x approaches 1. When x approaches 1 from the positive side. So this is the only main thing we have to keep in consideration. And when we do this, we can find a system of equations with a and b and then solve for a and b. So let's see how we can do that. What is the limit going to be as you approach f of x from the negative side? Well, you're just going to plug 1 into this, right? And what is that going to give you? It's going to give you a times, so a times 1 squared minus b. Hopefully this isn't too difficult for you. This should just be a minus b, right? And this is going to equal what? Like we said over here, this has to equal 2. Same thing over here. What is it going to be over here? Well, it's going to be b times 1 plus a. So that's just b plus a. And this is also going to, of course, have to equal 2. What can we say now? Well, we can combine the two systems of equations, and that's going to give us a pretty simple solution, but you might be able to see that already. If a plus b and a minus b are the same, b has to be 0, right? And so when b equals 0, a will equal 2. So a equals 2, b equals 0, and just with that, we're done. That's it for the question. Hope you enjoyed and learned something. If you did, please make sure to subscribe to the channel and like up the video. And see you in the next one. Thank you so much.